The basics of machine learning. Everything you need to know. Machine learning is an emerging field transforming the world as we know it. Machine learning has found its way into various aspects of our lives, from self-driving cars to virtual assistants. This article will explore the basics of machine learning and how it works. What is machine learning? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, AI, that focuses on developing algorithms to learn from data and make predictions based on that data. The algorithms are designed to improve their performance as they receive more data. Machine learning is used in various applications, such as image recognition, natural language processing, and fraud detection. Types of machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. 1. Supervised learning. Supervised learning is a type of machine learning where the algorithm is trained using labeled data. The labeled data is used to create a model that can be used to make predictions on new, unlabeled data. For example, a supervised learning algorithm can be trained to recognize handwritten digits using a dataset of labeled images of numbers. 2. Unsupervised learning. Unsupervised learning is a type of machine learning. CCCC is trained using unlabeled data. The algorithm learns patterns in the data and creates a model based on those patterns. Unsupervised learning is often used in clustering applications, where the algorithm groups similar data points together. 3. Reinforcement learning. Reinforcement learning is a type of machine learning where the algorithm learns by interacting with an environment. The algorithm receives rewards for specific actions and tries to maximize those rewards. Reinforcement learning is often used in robotics and game playing. How does machine learning work? Machine learning algorithms learn from data by minimizing a cost function. The cost function measures the algorithm's performance on a particular task. The algorithm adjusts its parameters to reduce the cost function and improve performance. The process of training a machine learning algorithm involves the following steps. Collecting data. The first step in training a machine learning algorithm is collecting data. The data should be relevant to the task at hand and representative of the problem domain. Pre-processing data. The next step is pre-processing the data. This involves cleaning the data, handling missing values, and transforming the data into a format that the algorithm can use. Training the algorithm. Once the data has been pre-processed, it is used to train the algorithm. The algorithm adjusts its parameters to minimize the CC. Evaluating the model. After the algorithm has been trained, it is evaluated on a separate dataset called the validation set. The validation set measures the model's performance and determines whether it is overfitting or underfitting. Deploying the model. Once the model has been trained and evaluated, it can be deployed to make predictions on new data. Applications of machine learning. Machine learning has a wide range of applications, some of which include image and speech recognition, natural language processing, fraud detection, recommendation systems, predictive maintenance, healthcare diagnostics. If you learn more, please visit our website. Thanks for watching.